The gay woman who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors and doing what needs to be done. I took the train to London for my friend's birthday. Honestly, I needed that trip more than I knew. My dear, it was amazing. We celebrated, we laughed. I ended up spending the night and the next day I went to see Frank. And you know Frank was so funny. And I was recording my YouTube vlog and he was saying so many nonsense to everyone. If you not watch that vlog, go and see it. I stayed a few hours with Frank at his place and then headed back to Manchester. Sometimes you just need to leave your city for a bit. See your people, be reminded that life is happening and you are in it. London did what London always does. It delivered. My goodness, I had a nice time. And then I came back home to Manchester because this is where I belong. Anywho, if you have watched up until here, let us know what you think. We are going to always be juicy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered. I'm always going to be a gay Igbo man. Anywho, have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.